So welcome back. So today I have a busy day. I have to go to, well, first I have to go back to the container store. I need to get these labels for these baskets that I just bought, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then I also need to go to IKEA uh, to get some things and come back. And I picked the worst time to go. I should have woke up earlier and went. I took the time to go at traffic time, so it is what it is. But I'm here in my room, and guys, like, I'm so embarrassed to, like, show it, but I need to, yeah, I need to redo my room. Like, it's just a mess. Like, look at, it's just a mess. Oh, that's a mess. That's a mess. This is a mess. Like, it's it's all a mess. Like, it's just a mess. So I'm going to take my sheets off and wash them now because they take like an hour, and I want them to be washed and uh, ready while I'm gone, so I can just pop them in the dryer and then they'll be done. And yeah, so let me show you guys my baskets. They, oh, I can't wait till they're installed and everything. And I also got my new prayer rug, which I showed you guys. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. So these are my new elfa shells. And guys, like, oh, I've never showed y'all this. This is my lovely globe. It's one of those with the different pearls for each continent and country. But yeah, anyway. So yes, I have the instructions. Yeah, I have these long nails, and hammering and doing all that. Yeah, it's too much for my nails. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that and take you with me. I won't be in there too long at the container store because I know what I want. But when I go to IKEA, I know what I want, but I also want to look at some other things that I've been eyeing, and I might as well just make it all in just, one trip instead of going, because IKEA is not close. It's not close at all. So yes, I will see y'all when I get to the container store. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. This is why I'm washing this now, because I have it on the white setting. It's going to take approximately about 80 minutes to clean my sheets. And yeah, so this is what I use. I use Gain, but I only used a little bit because I had to use my new one. But I use Gain. I use the Wrinkle Guard Downy, and then I also use the scent beads. And I get the big one. You can get this big one at Sam's. So much worth your money for the big one. Because the little one, no, I buy them at Sam's. You get more for your money. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So let's go shopping. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I made it to IKEA. And I just want to take y'all in there. I basically just want to get what I want because I don't want to start rambling and looking, because that's when you start spending unexpected money. And I can do that at another time with other money. But right now I'm on a mission, so hopefully I can get what I need and get out and maybe just look at a few knickknacks here and there. But it is already 4:45 in the afternoon, so I don't want to be here. It's already traffic time. I got in traffic on my way here. God. So by the time I get out, traffic should be died down. It should still be sunlight, so I'm not worried about that. So let's get in here. Let's get in here. y'all can see the sweat on my face. It is so hot. Oh my god. And then his face mask, it doesn't make it any better. Like, oh, so I finished my IKEA. Some of the items that I came down here for were unavailable, so I'll have to get that later. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. See you guys. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my shelves that I got at the Container Store. They are built and they are ready. And then this is my Alex drawer that I purchased at IKEA. Also with those flowers. Ooh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. But yes, so let's start this. I'm going to take everything out this closet. Try to get everything organized and straightened. So let's get it done. So this is the final look. They kind of stick out from the wall, but that's okay because I only come in this closet for what I'm going to put in here. And then, of course, at the top, as you can see, I just have extra storage. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I just wanted to show y'all that it is up and ready. And I put a few things in the drawer. Yes. Have my foundations, my primers, my sprays, and then I put like my hair stuff down here. So yeah, and I just moved and switched and rearranged everything. It's a whole lot cleaner. I tried to wipe some of this up, but it's stained, so I don't think so. Yeah, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I have my flowers sitting up there. I have my new mirror. I have my lotion, everything. Yes, it's ready to go. It looks so much better, y'all. Like, look at that. It looks so much better. But yeah, I was just showing y'all a little bit. So I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're old, thank you for coming back and watching my video. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys, inshallah. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.